In this video, I will show how to calculate the ratio of two numbers in Microsoft Excel like this. So guys, you should apply this formula. Firstly, I will clear. Now type this formula. Equal sign. Select this first, divide by GCD. Select this one, and now select this both number. Closing bracket and end quotation and column. Again quotation and end. Now this time select this blue another number cell, divide by GCD, click on it. Now select both numbers, closing bracket and press enter. So this is the complete formula. So you have this ratio between these two numbers, and drag and drop to get this ratio between these old numbers. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.